Every cause has an effect, and every effect has its cause. This can be reversed onto itself. So this means that whatever happens in your life has a specific cause. Whether you realize this or not, it has an effect, and you're living in the effect. So if you want to change your life, it's natural for you to want to change the actual cause. And we see this every time we say, well, I need to get to the root cause of this issue, whether it's trauma, your past, breaking into new habits, letting go of old habits, whatever it is. You're always talking about getting to the root. So understanding what the root is when it comes to manifestation, when it comes to creating the life you want, means to understand things from a spiritual perspective. A perspective where you cannot really see what's happening. It's the realm of the unseen. Everything that you do has an effect. Every way that you think has an effect. And so you have to go to that. You have to follow where the original cause is. So for example, your subconscious is the cause for a lot of things that happen in your life. I always mention how 95% of our day is subconscious, 5% is conscious. This means that the majority of our life is actually caused by our subconscious mind giving us impressions and making us do things by habit. So knowing this, it's important to go into the subconscious because it makes things happen to us. Being jealous is on the same degree and the same line as being thankful. You can think of one line. And then being jealous is over here and being thankful is over here. Now, if you want to be thankful and then change everything around you, you would have to just simply change the degree, kind of like sliding a scale forward and moving it to the direction you want. When it comes to vibration, it's not so complicated because it's not like you have to do something crazy. You're not changing one thing into another. You can only change the vibration in degree. You're not trying to transform jealousy into being happy, for example. So where you consistently dwell on the line, depending on what emotion you want to zero in on, let's say you want to focus on jealousy. If you want to zero in on another emotion, you're simply focusing on that. If you're more on the jealous side rather than the thankful side, then this is your frequency, because this is where you frequent. This is where you habitually dwell. So your frequency is very low, so to speak. And this is why things can be painful. This is why things can be harsh. And that's just one example.